Hello everyone. It is the urinary infection detection project made by deep learning. Now we can see the project based data. Now we can see the 0 3 PPT presentation for this project. Then now we can see the project simulation, like how we run this project. In this project made by Python Flask framework and using HTML, CSS for front-end and the backend. And in this project we used the CNN technique and our project run by our local host. Now we can run this project. It is our local host link. It is the project login page. It is the project landing page. Now we can give the input images. It is the input images. This dataset took from Gaggle website. And our model detected these classes. Now we can give the different images and different classes. It also not label. And now we can see the final document report for this project. In this project we used the CNN technique and our trained model got above 95% accuracy. I hope you like this video. If you want to more video, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.